Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neye, and if you're just seeing me for the first time, you're welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about self-care, beauty, lifestyle, and every single thing in between. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make an easy ninja bun with curly bangs in front. These are the things that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using my darling attachment, Echo Styling Gel. Got to be glued just to secure my hair. And I'm going to be using some pins as well. Thing is, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail, and the height of your ponytail is dependent on you. If you want your bun to be forward, you are going to move your ponytail forward. But if you want your bun to go backwards, you're going to move your ponytail backwards. Then next is I'm going to separate the part that I want to use for my bangs. The fullness of your bangs is totally dependent on you as well. If you want your bangs to be really full, then you are going to bring out more hair in front. After putting my hair in a pony, I'm going to use Echo Style to smoothen the edges and to smoothen my hair. I'm also going to spray some Got to Be on it just so that the bun is going to last a bit longer. After that, I'm just going to take my extension. So the fullness of your bun is dependent on the amount of attachment that you're going to use on it. For me, I don't want a very full bun, so I'm going to divide this attachment into two and use half of it for my bun. After dividing it, I'm going to use the rubber band attached to the attachment to wrap it around my pony and use my hair to twist on it.
This time I swear I'm trying. I'll keep this fire from dying.
Look, I love it when you in my arms. This ain't heartbreak, protect you from the harm. When you mad, you taste like a few flavors. Think I know the reasons to why we'll talk later. Yeah, and when I bust up breaks walls, tore yours down when a nigga stood tall. And yeah, and you done get into my game. Don't think about it too hard, I promise to explain, cause
This time I swear I'm trying. I'll keep this fight from dying. 'Cause I want you.
After that, using a pin, I'm going to secure my bun, and also using this hair packer elastic thingy, I'm just going to put it around my bun for it to be more secured. Then I'm going ahead to do my bangs. If you want a straight bangs, you can leave it the way it is, but if you want to be extra like me, add some curls to it.
This time I swear I'm trying. I'll keep this fight from dying. 'Cause I want you. This time I swear I'm trying. I'll keep this fight from dying.
look, I love it when you in my arms. This ain't heartbreak, protect you from the harm. When you mad, you taste like a few flavors. Think I know the reasons to why we'll talk later. Yeah, and when I bust up breaks walls, tore yours down when a nigga stood tall. And yeah, and you done get into my game. Don't think about it too hard, I promise to explain, cause
This time I swear I'm trying. I'll keep this fight from dying. 'Cause I want you.
This is the final look. Let me know in the comment section which you prefer, the straight or the curly bangs. Thank you very much for watching. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Till I see you next week. Bye.